Whoa, okay.
What do you think of when you see calcite blue? Let's just spit
That's
off
a great
words.
question. I literally,
You have to be faster than
for the first time in my life, my brain has shut up.
I'm just gonna keep going, and then as soon as you like get it, just interject.
Okay.
Crustacean, aquatic, Sebastian, Ariel, Ursula,
Hallie and Chloe and Hallie.
Triton,
King Triton, Percy Jackson and the Olympians.
lobster,
Maine.
Vermont,
Coastal grandmother. Vintage sweater.
ooh, Lake Como,
Cuomo? Andrew Cuomo.
Call me by your name.
I'm really fighting the urge to say Timothy Chalamet right now. Santorini. Oh my god, Santorini. My Big Fat Greek Wedding.
Ooh,
Sisterhood of the Traveling Pants 2.
Sex
Or was
and
it
the
one?
City,
Sex in the City. Blake Lively.
Penn Badgley,
Netflix.
serial killer, man who will kill for you when you never asked once in your life,
Who might also kill you
who might also kill you.
without you asking him
Yeah,
to.
without your consent.
Oh, just like a man. A woman, at least she's gonna ask.
Yeah, she's gonna run it by you.
Yep.
Yeah.
Do you think we got
No, yeah, we got it.
it?